Welcome to Ayers Legends Best of Breeder Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about raw eggs. I get the question quite often, are raw eggs good for my dogs? Are they safe? And the simple answer to both of those is yes and yes. Raw eggs are very nutritious and they are safe. So we're going to talk about eggs. We're also going to talk about the quality of eggs. Store-bought versus farm fresh eggs. There's a big difference. But as we've talked about in some of the other raw videos, raw feeding can be deficient in several areas. Just a couple big benefits to start with eggs. Zinc, vitamin D. In vitamin D, I always tell people you don't want to give through, going out and getting vitamin D vitamins or supplements. That should always come through a natural food source such as eggs. And along with calcium. Calcium, those are the two big ones, vitamin D and calcium. You shouldn't be giving them any vitamin D tablets, any calcium tablets. It should be through a natural food source. Again, such as eggs. You can get the calcium. The eggshells are great for that, along with goat milk, cottage cheese. One of the things you're going to notice too, guys, by feeding raw eggs is just a healthier and shinier coat. One of the main fears people have with raw eggs is that maybe have researched it is biotin deficiencies. Guys, that's not going to happen unless you're feeding just egg whites or you're feeding just the egg yolk. So if you're doing raw eggs, feed the whole egg, the shell and all, but make sure you're definitely doing egg yolk in the egg white. And it's safe. And again, it's very nutritious and just great for your dogs. So now what we're going to talk about, we're going to look into some of the benefits of farm fresh eggs over store-bought eggs.
Fresh eggs versus store-bought. Fresh eggs contain 1/3 less cholesterol, 1/4 less saturated fat, 2/3 more times vitamin A, 2 times more omega-3, which is where we'll see that nice healthy skin along with a nice shining glowy coat. 3 times more vitamin E and 7 times more beta-carotene, which helps prevent against cataracts along with supporting healthy vision. You'll also notice that vitamin A and vitamin E are some of the vitamins we sometimes lack in a raw diet. Couple of the other top health benefits of eggs I'd like to talk about. Eggs actually raise good cholesterol. It's good for weight loss. It promotes brain function. It's a great source of protein to put into the diet, protects the bones, and actually promotes healthy hair and nails. And last but not least, they contain 9 essential amino acids. One egg has 6 grams of high-quality protein. They contain good fats, and it's one of the only foods that naturally contain vitamin D. So guys, do your dogs a favor. Definitely put eggs into their diet. And if you do have the option, find farm fresh eggs.